Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a CBT-based aptitude test for your applicants. So before this, you must have created an admission cycle first. If you haven't, you can check our previous videos on how to go about that. So first, you need to navigate to the admission tab. Then this is our admission here. As you can see, it's open. You then select the applicants tab at the top. The next, you need to click on CBT tests. Now you select the admission cycle, 2026-2027 admissions intake. The next, you need to select the test title. Probably it's just the name you want to give it. Maybe an entrance exam. Then you need to pick a duration, maybe 20 minutes aptitude test. The next, this is when it opens and this is when it's closed. So by default, it selects the admission opening and closing date and time. Then this test you are creating or you want to create here now, do you want to attach it to all the classes or just some specific class? This means that you may decide to create different CBT tests for different classes. So but in this case, I'm going to create just one CBT test for GSS1 and SS1 because these are the classes that are only open for admission. Then next, you need to select where your questions, you need to select your questions, but then you need to select a source. Do you want to fetch the question from your question bank or do you want to write the questions yourself here? So if you want to write the question, you can select the write a new question option. Then you input your question, what is anything, then you select the correct option, then you input the topic, the subject / topic, maybe maths, English or anything. Then you also input the points. By default it shows 1 point, but if you have questions already in your question bank, you can select the from question bank option. Then you select the class which you want to select the question from. Then you also select the subjects, let's say mathematics. Then you search. So these are the mathematics questions I have saved in my question bank. So I can add this question. You can add as multiple questions as possible, and also you can, let's say I've added 1, 2, 3, 4 math questions here now. Then I need to add another subject. Let me go to primary 2. Then let me say basic science and such. Let me see if I have, okay, this is for basic science here now. Then add more questions. So all these questions are merged together. So this is how you can fetch questions from different classes and different subjects to form the aptitude test. So once you are done with this, all your questions you've selected are going to appear here and you can remove them or re-add. So once you are done selecting your questions, just click on create test. And as you can see, it has been created already. This is what we have here, entrance test. So but let's say for example now you want to create different CBT tests for different classes. So let me edit the one I did now to let me say GSS entrance exam, and then uncheck SS, then click on save. Now this one is for GSS. Then let us create another one for SS. So you do the same procedure as well, but in this case you are going to select SS as the only class, and you can also decide to select other classes as well. So this is how to schedule your CBT test. So which means that once your applicants are done with the application, the next step is for them to take the aptitude test. Thank you.